What's on? And welcome to another episode. Yeah, get on. What's on, everybody? It's Saturday, which can mean only one thing. It's tutorial time. We're taking it to the mini today. We're gonna learn some frontside airs. Let's go. So frontside airs. Real easy for this one. All you need to know how to do is a frontside kick turn and ideally an ollie. Although it is a frontside 180 on the quarter pipe, you do not need to be good at frontside 180s on flat necessarily, because when you're coming up the transition, you're going to be in regular, and then as you frontside 180, you're going to be landing in regular to go back down the transition. So it's completely different really to doing a front 180 on flat. For foot positioning, I'd say it's not that different from an ollie really, but all I do is hang my toes over a little bit, just so that when I'm coming around on the front side, my foot has room to sort of move on the board a bit. Now move on to our upper body. As you're coming into this trick, you want to be parallel to yourself. You're always skating side on towards the quarter, and you pre-wind just a little bit so that you can throw this rotation. You want to be doing this as you're heading up the quarter before you ollie, because that momentum is what's going to carry you round. The great thing about this trick is you can start doing it right down at the bottom of the quarter and just slowly work your way up higher and higher. The best way to start is right at the bottom, just trying really small ollies, just to get you the motion of doing that frontside ollie. And then you can build your way up the quarter and get higher and higher, bigger. So when you're doing it up high, just pop a bit bigger. Tuck those knees. So once you're getting them quite comfortably a bit lower down and you're starting to move up higher, the best advice I can give you is pop a bit bigger and tuck those knees, because the more you tuck your knees, the more you're going to be away from the coping, because the worst thing you can do is land on that coping and hang up and go forward. So the more you pop it out and crunch up those knees, the better it's just going to land back in the ramp and roll away. So halfway through this frontside ollie, you're going to be flying through the air, and what you need to do is look right over that shoulder, which comes with this momentum of your spin, so that you can spot the landing and come right in. Ideally, when you are coming in, you want to be landing as high up on the quarter as possible, because that's going to give you the cleanest roll away and the most speed towards the other side or wherever you're going. But obviously you do not want to hit that hang up. So the best thing you can do is watch your landing the whole way, so you know exactly where you're going to land and you can take it as you do. Frontside airs is a really great one to learn. I learned it a long time ago. It's a great way to start learning frontside disasters, where you get your board on the coping, or frontside indies where you grab the board in the air. It's just a great trick for starting to learn loads of stuff, so get doing it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this trick tip tutorial. Please leave a comment below. We love to hear comments. Don't forget to click subscribe and the little bell, and tune in next week for more tutorials. Goodbye!